All right, so we did day one of the new routine of increasing VO2 max. Although I just woke up, but this is an updated version because I ended up kind of like hurting my knee, just slightly. It's not too bad, but I asked it to actually integrate like what I did previously, which was like 50 pull-ups and 100 push-ups every single day. I felt like the strongest like when I did that. That was like 4 months ago at this point, and I'm like, I really want to regain that strength. It's like I feel like I just should do that forever. Not the amount that I was doing necessarily, so that's why I asked ChatGPT, like, what do you think the optimal amount is based on my current max? And it said 30 total and 75 total per day. And it even gives us like how many reps we should be doing spread out through the day, which is cool. And then we have like the revised version of day one, which is knee friendly, because I was telling ChatGPT how my knee was hurting after doing those sprints, and it recommends like uphill fast, or I guess so, yeah, uphill fast walks or something, or high knee marches. I'll still do some running, but I'll just do it a little lighter. And it says to do step back lunges instead of like the aerial lunges or whatever, airborne lunges. But yeah, it says there's optional daily knee prep. I don't know what this one is, so I'll look it up. But I also asked ChatGPT for VO2 max, like if you're wanting to increase it, should you do these things continuously or can you do it spread out during the day? And it said always doing the workout like all together is the best way to approach it. So that's like good information. And then it changed what I wanted to do here into archer pull-ups and explosive push-ups, which is kind of weird because it's like we're already doing them, but I guess this is like for strength and power purposes, like making the exercises different rather than just like grease the groove. So day 3, active recovery, okay. Day 4, and just fast pace. Still has sloppy flare practice. We're gonna tell it not to do that. 25 minutes brisk walking or shadow boxing. A low impact, huh? Okay. So that seems to be the routine. We're going to start from, I guess, day 2. Technically, day 2 was yesterday. Like, we didn't do anything because I felt like my knee was slightly hurting. So we're off to like a poor start, but you know, it happens sometimes and we just gotta keep going and adjust. That's what a coach is for, right? So I really am trying my best to use ChatGPT as my fitness coach this time around, and asking it questions and updating it with like how I'm doing and everything, which is good. So I think we'll just switch day 3 and day 2, and do some archer pull-ups and push-ups and stuff today, and L-sit hangs. Seems like a pretty standard, easy routine actually. If I feel like something's too easy, I'll let ChatGPT know. But until I do it, archer pull-ups are actually pretty hard, so maybe not. We'll see. But that's it for the update. We have our work cut out for us. We're doing this plus this is day 1 of our YouTube challenge. Our videos are gonna be very confusing, but it's fine. It's just because they're uploading at separate times, like from the future, in the present. It's confusing. I really wanted to keep it organized, but the challenge itself, at least for YouTube, I want to make it real time because I want to document that journey like real time. Okay, that's it for this one. We're gonna keep going. Try to update as much as possible as we keep going. Probably not until we do this whole thing, and then we'll change it up again based on like how we felt about it. Like, yeah, keep using ChatGPT as a real coach. Okay, that's it for this one.